Hello everyone, now we will make two cute birds using water bottle cap. To make the grass, stick the green paper. To make the birds, take two bottle caps, fill it with yellow color, stick them in the same way. Now make their legs, tail and stick the eyes. Make a pink color snail and it's ready. Now we will make a flying house with a hot air balloon. To make the house, take cotton buds and stick them in the same way. Now make the lines over it. To make the hot air balloon, take multiple color craft paper and fold them and stick them together. Now stick the clouds and make yellow color dots and it's ready. Now we will make umbrella using a craft paper. Take a small square craft paper, fold it and open it. Now again fold it as we are folding. Now fold it from the between and stick them together. Open it and stick it. Make few more as such. Make their handle, make few water droplets and it's ready. Now we will make a flower using dry leaf. Make a green color stem. Now stick the small dry leaves in the same way as we are sticking. Now using green leaves, make its leaf. Make a sun and it's ready. Now we will make a colorful flower vase. To make the vase, stick the paper as we have shown here. Now make the stem using a green sketch pen. Make its leaf. Now take small paper cuts of different color, make the balls out of them and stick it on the each stem of it. Follow the video and it's ready. Now we will make fish using different paper strips. Take yellow and green color strip and stick it one by one as we are sticking. Now stick the eyes of the fish on the corner. Now cut the left out portion. To make the fins and tail, cut the paper in slanting way and it's ready. Now we will make flower using pistachio shells. Take a small round wooden cardboard sheet. Stick the pistachio shells one by one in the same manner as we are doing. Now take a thin stick and stick it on the sheet. Now put flowers and stick the dry leaves on it and it's ready. Now we will make sheep using tissue paper. Take a tissue paper and tear it. Now make its ball and stick it in the green sheet. Make few more as such. Now using black craft paper, make its face. Now stick its eyes, then make its legs using black pen. Then using green sketch pen, make the grass and make some red flowers on it. Then using brown sheet, make the fence and it's ready. Now we will make a cute little cat using craft paper. Take a square sheet and fold it from both the sides. Now from the left corner, again fold it. Fold the paper again and again in the same way as we are doing. Watch the video very carefully as there are too many folds. Don't miss out any folding. Watch the video very carefully as it is little bit complicated. It will turn out very beautiful. Open the folds. Now again fold it. Now fold it from the down side. Keep watching the video. Now fold it again. We are almost there. Now turn the paper upside down. Now using orange sketch pen, we will draw its face. Now draw its eyes and stick its tail and it's ready. Thanks for watching.